We sleep with our phones, wake up with our phones, and basically do everything with them, except shower. Relatable, right? And of course, we want it nearby at night, just in case we miss the alarm. The easiest move? Slip it under the pillow. But hold up, is that safe? Let's break it down. Phones do emit radiation, but not the scary kind like X-rays or gamma rays that can break chemical bonds. Smartphones give off non-ionizing radiation, long waves that can't rip molecules apart. They can cause vibrations, which we feel as heat. That's how microwaves work. Don't worry, your iPhone isn't a microwave oven. Still, researchers at the American Cancer Society note that tissues closest to the phone absorb more energy, which is why manuals say, keep it a little away from your head. Scientists measure this with SAR, specific absorption rate. In the US, the limit is 1.6 watts per kilogram. Translation: don't sleep with your phone pressed against your skull, but radiation isn't the only issue. The World Health Organization recommends putting the phone down 2 to 3 hours before bed. Why? Because of sleep disruption. A 2018 study tracked 815 people for 4 weeks. Results: 12% scrolled in the middle of the night. 41% woke up at least once a week because of their phone. On average, they slept 48 minutes less and had higher body mass indexes. The culprit? Blue light. Your eyes have special cells that don't help you see. They help regulate your biological clock. They're super sensitive to blue wavelengths, 450 to 480 nanometers. Blue light suppresses melatonin, the sleep hormone, more than green light. It can push your body clock forward by 3 hours. That's why binging TikTok at midnight feels like daylight to your brain. And then there's nomophobia, fear of being without your phone. Coined in 2008, researchers found over half of participants stressed out when their phone was lost, dead, or out of service. They compared the anxiety to wedding day jitters or a dentist visit. Basically, we've invented a new phobia. So, is sleeping with your phone under the pillow harmful? Not catastrophically, but it's not smart either. Keep it off your head, cut screen time before bed, and you'll sleep deeper, stress less, and wake up fresher. And that's baby science for you.